New introduction here. I want to get everybody's attention for what I feel will be a lucrative opportunity. It's the first ever NYSE marijuana IPO. We're making history here, and I feel this is just the first stepping stone in what is going to be the start of many IPOs on both the NASDAQ and the NYSE. I feel we're going to have a marijuana sector and marijuana ETFs in the future, and this is just step number one. If you are familiar with the industry, that's all I have to say. I know you're interested already. If this is new to you, this is going to be, in my opinion, the greatest financial opportunity in our lifetimes. This has never happened before. We have an established tens of billions dollar industry that the floodgates are going to open. It's becoming more and more legitimate legally, and this is just step number one. So Innovative Industrial Properties is the company. The ticker is IIPR. It is a real estate REIT that invests in medical marijuana facilities. And for this IPO, we have a new website, www.mjipo.com. I put together an hour of research video going through the filings, researching the company and the executives, and establishing a game plan, looking at some other IPOs and how they have traded. We're going to have a chat room with live Q&A during that day, Tuesday, November 22nd. And we'll also have the live webcam where I'll be showing our charts, going over, pointing out key support and resistance levels, looking at the volume that's coming in. I'm really looking forward to this opportunity. I hope you will join us. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into the charts. Checking in on Facebook. Hope everybody is having a happy Thanksgiving. And on the daily time frame, we rejected from the middle Bollinger Band resistance yesterday, or make that 2 days ago now. Bearish candlestick with that rejection, pulled back. Bulls bought the dip yesterday. You can see that lower wick. So that's a good sign for the bulls, establishing a new higher low. And that level is at 119.94. That's an important support going forward. This middle Bollinger Band is going to continue dropping rapidly and be just at the 122 level tomorrow. Bulls need to gain that level as support. A lot of these election dumpers that I call them, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, all the names in that group are all seeing a nice bounce, but there's some that are showing their strength more than others. Apple and Amazon have already broken their high from back here in early November, and we can see Facebook came still a multiple dollars shy of that level. So we're not close to breaking this lower high pattern. Step one is the middle Bollinger Band as support. Step two is breaking 124.61 that some other names have already broken. Weekly time frame, bullish reversal hammer last week off the 50-week support, the must-hold level. Follow through and confirmation this week, but we do have an upper wick rejecting from the exponential moving average resistances. So the bulls want to see a close up closer towards 122. The less of a lower wick, the better on this weekly time frame. Volume's not going to be much information due to the holiday week and low volume across the board. Looking at the hourly time frame for Facebook, we had the 20-period moving average as support on Monday, held it for most of Tuesday, and then lost it. And then it was resistance all of Wednesday. So I'm seeing that with a couple other names. Just did the Apple video, and it's in the same boat. Has to get above the 20-period moving average hourly resistance tomorrow to have a strong close on the daily and on the weekly, wrapping up this week. So the 200-week support, 119.56, important for the bulls to hold, and that 20-period resistance continuing to decline needs to turn back into support. So the lower wicks do show confidence for the Facebook bulls. They just need to follow through with that and see some strength to end this week tomorrow. Keeping in mind it's a half-day trading, we're going to see very low volume, not a ton of opportunity. If you are a day trader, certainly don't want to be forcing trades on a half day after a holiday. So we'll see what the daily chart and weekly chart shapes up with when we check back in over the weekend. I appreciate you watching. Have a great rest of your day.